Good morning and welcome back to our channel. Today we are packing for a week-long adventure in Walt Disney World and Universal Studios, and I want to take you along to try to get some packing done. It's about 6 days out before we leave for our trip, and I decided that I was going to start packing today. Today is Sunday. We have a lot of chores that we're trying to tackle today, so I figured packing would be one of those. So I've been tidying up the house all morning, and Wade and McAllister and Remy are outside. They are trying to get some yard work done, and yeah, so packing can be stressful and it could, you know, take a lot of time. So I'm going to try to get as much accomplished today. Obviously you can't pack everything, and I'm very much a last minute packer, but I'm gonna try to eliminate some of that stress and some of that anxiety for the week to make this trip go as smooth as possible. So let's get to it. Let's see how much we can get packed today. The bed is a little bit of a disaster. I've got some dresses here, some things that need to be ironed, just kind of some things that I absolutely will not be wearing that I've bought for the trip, and then like a stack of Wade stuff. There is a swimsuit. We don't typically swim on our trips, but I'm thinking because we're gonna be at the Adventura Hotel, we have Universal APs. If it's busy in the middle of the day, we may just like go for a dip. I've got a couple of ears from past trips and some headbands. I've actually never worn these headbands before. Kristen over at Shop Mermaid Lagoon made these, and they are so cute. So I really like those. And then she made this cute little bag that I'm probably gonna have in our park bag every day with just like some little essentials. And I ordered these little clear bags off of Amazon. They're like perfect size, so I've kind of got this kind of set up so far. I've got like deodorant and like a spray, and then I've got like little hair clippies and ties, and then I've actually ordered like a handful of face masks, so like after a long park day, Wade and I can just kind of relax and maybe do that. I don't know if he'll use it or not, but I got him some as well. And I'm hoping to stop by Basin and get some nice bath bombs. So if we do go to the pool, my bestie got me this cute little jelly bag, and I'm definitely bringing it. And then of course we've got to have our Universal lanyard and APs. And yeah, I'm gonna try to get a couple of other things just kind of ready. I've got the suitcase out, and this is going to be for mainly just clothes, and then we'll have another bag for like shoes and things. And then I have already got this guy out because I'm going to try to iron some things that we already know that we need to have ironed. So I don't know about you guys, but I am a huge fan of wearing dresses at the theme parks. Probably not so much Universal as like Disney, but I'm probably only gonna wear a dress like one day, and it'll be when we go out to eat for our reserved dining that we have, the one reservation that we made for this trip. I did order a really cute dress from Casual Bee Boutique, which I want to at least wear to the park and take some really cute pictures if we have time, or you know, whatever. But look at this dress. This dress is the cutest. So if you see, this is like a Rapunzel theme. So I'm planning to wear this dress at least one day for at least a couple of hours, probably at Magic Kingdom. Okay, so I kind of ditched ironing after ironing the one dress, so I've narrowed it down. I'm going to have this romper, this dress, and this dress as dressier items, and then the rest is going to be more of the casual. Now I do have some cute little park attire that I purchased, and I'll show you guys in all the vlogs, but I've got about 5 outfits here for me in this packing cube, and then like this packing cube is very large, and then I've got about 7 or 8 pairs of shorts and 2 shirts that I absolutely know Wade's gonna have and he's not gonna wear for the week, so that's kind of tucked away, and kind of see we don't have much room for more, but we'll have to have like just a handful of like extra t-shirts and shorts that we'll wear through the week that we'll have to wash, and we'll throw in there with that stuff. And then I know that I will not be wearing these sandals or these shoes for the week, so I'm going to have these put away in our bag that we put our shoes in. And then we always use this old shopping bag from Disney, and it's got like all the ears and headbands and magic bands and like watch things. Like we put these little things on our watches, and we can use our magic bands for that. So we have those in there. And then we'll end up filling this packing cube with some stuff, and then like our shorts and underwear and stuff in these cubes. And I do know that I'll have to figure out where Wade's swim trunks are because we don't use them often, and I can't figure out where they're at. So I've got this basically packed with stuff that we're going to use, and then all of my makeup fits in this packing cube, which is awesome. And we had some new toothbrushes, so I've got those in there, so we can just switch to the new toothbrushes here. And instead of bringing a ton of stuff to wash my face, I will bring one thing, and it'll probably go in this little cube right here. But these are really good, especially like when you're traveling and you don't have like water in a sink. You can just use these. So I'm going to bring these for my main face wash for the week, and then I have like one other that I'll add with that. But I'm not going to bring like my whole routine because that's just too much. And then I've got like one other sunblock, but we'll have the sunblock. And we won't have to have shampoo and conditioner and body scrub. I will have to add a bar of soap for Wade because he will not use like shower gels and stuff, but we will use the shampoo, conditioner, and I'll use the shower gel that Disney provides. And then I'm sure the Adventura Hotel will have something good for us to use. But it's really like one of the magical things about staying on Disney property is getting that like H2O products and stuff that you get, and that's one less thing that we have to bring. But I think that's all that I could really pack for the day, which I think I did really good. I got things organized, so now I kind of have like a checklist in my brain of what I need to remember to find in the next day or two, and then I will need to start on some laundry, so that's not fun. Ruby's sniffing them now. Remy, they smell good? Yeah.
I'll be right back, old Randy.
Okay, guys. It is Friday afternoon. Exactly around 4:25. I have not done anything packing-wise since I talked to you guys on Sunday. Oops. Wade is outside looking for one item that I'm still not able to find. It would be the puck that I put on my watch. I ordered him one, and I almost ordered me one, but I always put the same items when we're done with our trip in the same bag, which would be this bag right here. And it's not in there. My puck is not in there. He's going to look at a duffel that we're not bringing for this trip. While he's looking for that, I'm going to catch you up to speed. I decided that I was just going to get everything else organized. Like, if you guys don't know, I like to have my house like basically spick and span. I go through the whole house and just like redo it. So I've done everything, and everything is just ready and in its place. So now all we have to do is pack. We're leaving tomorrow afternoon, so we still have plenty of time. It's actually still unusual for us to be packing at this point. And I think we've got it all spread out around here. So I took the day off today unexpectedly. Yesterday I kind of decided that we were super slow at work, so I was going to take the day off. And I have basically just been at work, obviously. I can't wash my hair until after my run tomorrow, so ew. But anyways, this is kind of what we got going on. So, okay, so I found Wade's swimming trunks. So there's our swimsuit. Kind of pulled everything kind of back out. I did tons of laundry, so I am caught up, and all the laundry is basically put away. Some of this isn't because I didn't know if I was going to take any of it, so before I put it away, I decided that we would go through it. And I know Wade's going to bring this belt, and these are the clothes that we had in this giant packing cube. The only thing I've added to it during the week was I found some red shorts that I actually specifically bought for Disney World last time we went. So haven't worn them since, and I may wear them this trip. So I added those in there. And then I've got this giant bag that we normally put snacks in. I'm gonna actually use it for shoes. We're gonna try to get everything in this tiny little suitcase. We'll see how that works. And look how cute he is. I am so sad. That's like the worst thing about going on a trip is leaving this sweet boy. But he'll be home in his nice cozy home with his bunny rabbit and his grandmother. So I've got this bag that I'm about to put all of the snacks that don't have to like go in the cooler. So we've got like some trail mix, and I just don't want to get sick. And normally when we do trips like this, we get so exhausted. So we've been taking these every day, just to make sure we just like have like a boosted vitamins for our immunity. So yeah, we're gonna bring these just in case we want to drink. You just add these to your water. It's really good. Actually, it's like kind of a treat because I drink a lot of water. So we're gonna have those, and then Wade's already dipped into the sweet tarts, but we got those for the car ride, and then just some like other snacks that we want. So like this will be for the car ride and like in the room, and then like we'll bring these for the park. So I've got like some yogurts and some hard-boiled eggs that we'll have for like an easy breakfast, but we'll put those in the cooler along with like soda and water. So, and just like that, we just have like a little snack bag to store with us in the car. Everything fits so nicely in here. And then these will be our travel shoes, so we'll keep those out. And Wade is not giving up on the puck. Just gonna put these masks in this cute little bag. Like, guys, look how cute this is. Shop Mermaid Lagoon. Kristen from Magic City Family, they have a YouTube channel as well. But gosh, so cute. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put my mask in there, and I may put my sunglasses just to have these in a spot where I can just like reach for them and grab them. I don't know. I know I'm gonna put this in our park bag, but for right now I think I'm gonna just throw all of this in here. Okay, so I ended up having to get my clothes out of this packing cube, and I think I'm going to be able to get, this will be all of Wade's clothes other than his traveling to Orlando outfit. Those are our travel clothes over there. So that's his travel clothes. Those are my travel clothes. He's got shorts and a t-shirt, and then I've got a sweater, pants, and a t-shirt. So you can kind of see that I like to be cozy when we travel, and he, I don't know. But yeah, let's see if we can get this thing zipped up. So now you can see that I got all of his stuff in these 2 packing cubes, and then I've got these 2 packing cubes left. And we have all of these clothes, and I have to have all of them because I have to have like running clothes and just a couple of different changes of outfits and like my sweatpants and stuff. So I have to bring all of this. How are we gonna fit it in here? Because this is just my undergarments, and I'm gonna have to reevaluate how we're doing this. So I got most of what I had in here, and then I tried to fit as much as I could in here, which I've got it overstocked. I don't even know if all of this can fit in that suitcase. I'm going to try. And then this is the rest of my stuff. I told you guys I'm gonna overpack, but yeah, I'm just gonna find another bag. And I forgot, we talked about it being rainy. We need to get our raincoats. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so 3 of the 4 packing cubes fit, which is not too bad. And Wade found this duffel, so I have got the rest of those clothes there. And I think I'm just going to stick this in here, and yeah, I think we're just gonna call this a success for today, and finish up tomorrow because we can't put everything in there anyway. So I think this is gonna be it for the day. Alright guys, so basically I guess packing last Sunday and then yesterday helped a lot. All I did today was throw the last little bit in the bag, and now we're about to get on the road. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed packing with me. Very unorganized, I'm sorry. But yeah, we're about to head to Orlando in the next hour, and that will be the next vlog that you guys see. So guys, make sure to subscribe so you can follow along on all of our Orlando adventures at Disney World and Universal. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one. Bye guys. So what's the one thing we came here for?
Stopped her, but I still can't stop myself from believing them.
Like, the people were driving so recklessly, it was so scary.